Are you still relying on 2D drawings to share manufacturing intent? There's a better way. Inventor's new model-based definition. Tools that let you add dimensions, tolerances, and notes directly to your 3D models. Now with enhanced annotation views and geometric dimensioning and tolerance support. Define critical features in the model itself. Create fully annotated views, bringing your design intent to the next users in the part or assembly with no need to create a layout drawing. Your manufacturing intent can be shared through your team while still in 3D space. Whether you're going paperless or improving clarity on the shop floor, MBD in Inventor helps you communicate designs visually with more clarity, reducing errors. Smarter documentation, fewer misunderstandings, better parts.